Today, we will discuss Make and Publi. Both platforms aim to boost production and efficiency by automating activities and doing away with human labor. In essence, Publi and Make are technologies that enable users to automate their digital workflows, so freeing up resources and time for more strategic endeavors. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Make is renowned for its highly visual drag and drop interface, which makes it simple for users to design intricate processes. Complex automation scenarios are made possible by its sophisticated logic and data manipulation capabilities. Make is proud of its extensive library of integrations with different services and apps. There is the potential of extremely high levels of personalization. Publi is designed to be user friendly and has a straightforward UI. Publi offers a range of marketing automation features, including email marketing, form creation, and subscription billing. In addition to process automation, Publi is renowned for its lifetime deals and frequently straightforward pricing. Publi places a lot of focus on marketing procedures. All in all, by integrating various apps and services, both platforms are essentially made to automate tedious jobs and procedures. This is their main goal in common. Application Programming Interfaces or APIs are essential for enabling data transmission and communication between various software programs in both Make and Publi.